Hello friends, again it's Monday and I'm here. Okay, so my today's topic is for the people who don't know. Yes, on every Monday I say my point of view on any of the topic and you have to tell your point of view in the comment section. So my today's topic is that which application do I like the most? Which application do I prefer? From WhatsApp, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and yeah, that's it. So I'll tell one by one. First we'll start with WhatsApp. Okay, so WhatsApp is a really good application for communication and I like that, like it's free and it's really nice. We can communicate with anyone, and the calling thing, like now we don't have to pay those ISD calls and all those stuff, so I like that, but I'll list those things later. Okay, now next comes Facebook. Okay, so Facebook, I don't like much Facebook. Like there are a lot of things. Whenever I go on my wall, I see post, I see like content post, and then I see videos, I see images, and I really get irritated by that. So I don't like Facebook much. But yes, if you must have asked me this question before 6 years or 5 years, I would have literally preferred Facebook, because that was the only thing on internet by which we were getting communicated and we were getting connected by other people. And now let's come to other application, that is Instagram. Instagram is really a clean platform, that's what I feel, because there are only images, that's it, only images. So whenever you're scrolling, you can do a lot of time pass and all those stuffs on Instagram. I literally spend a lot of time on Instagram. Whenever I'm bored, I just go through my feed and I love Instagram. Like seriously, I love Instagram. Now the last thing is Snapchat. Yes, I'm in love with Snapchat because that is something unique. Like you can post from your camera roll also, but the main effect and the main USP of that software, of that application, is that you can only post live images or live videos, and I really love that thing. Like you'll know the behind scenes of for the people doing those some things. Like even if I'm shooting, I'll show my behind scenes on Snapchat, and I really love that. And all the stories on Instagram, on Facebook, and on WhatsApp is started after Snapchat only. So basically the main idea was of Snapchat only, and those filters and all those things also. So I love Snapchat. Okay, so I'll rate Snapchat. Second, Instagram, because I spend a lot of time on both of those applications. And third, WhatsApp. Fourth, Facebook. So that's all my point of view. You tell me your point of view and you rate first, second, third and fourth in the comment section below. And that's it for today. And always remember, no one is right, no one is wrong. It's just everyone have different point of view. So respect everyone. That's it. Okay, so for the people who don't know, every Monday I open this jar. This is called as Dream Jar, which has motivational chits inside this, and it is like you have to remember this message throughout your week. It may help you some or the other way throughout your week. So the today's message is, okay, so I have this blue one. Okay, see, I hope you guys can see. Okay, if you will not lose something, then you will not gain anything. Yes, so if you want something, you have to lose something. That's it. So if you are losing something, don't worry, just remember you'll have something in future. So it's okay, be positive and just be happy. I hope your week be really very good, and that's it for today. Bye bye, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. And I upload my new videos on every Monday, Friday and Sunday. Bye bye.